I'm Aletha with WTI. Do you want to make sure that your hair is nourished and moisturized? The Carol's Daughter 7 Oil Blend Hair and Scalp Oil does the trick for me. I love it. I wash my hair and it's moisturized so well because of this. Not only does it give a nice oil moisturizer, it also strengthens and conditions my hair and my scalp, and it also stops breakage so the hair can grow nice and long. It's for curly hair, any hair. It is the best. I love it. I love it because it doesn't drip, so when I put it on and rub it into my scalp all over, it doesn't drip down my face or down my neck. It is a great product. Not to mention, it smells really good as well. It's fortified with castor oil and black cumin seed. It is a great product for strengthening your hair and keeping it moisturized and conditioned. So I love it because it doesn't weigh my hair down. It'll stay nice and soft and manageable and movable. I love that fact. So if you want a product like this, it's an oil. It smells good, it feels good. This is the product to get. So I love it, I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.